Happy pre-Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. This is a special edition Mother's Day that we're doing here at One Hot Bite. My name is Melissa. We are gonna do blueberry cream cheese danishes today. So if you know me and you know my channel, I kind of have a way of cutting out the fat without cutting out the flavor. So I'm gonna show you my tricks today, and we are gonna make these incredible blueberry cream cheese pastries. They're light, they're fluffy, they're beautiful. If you just wanted to put them on a table and impress everybody, this would do it. And so we're gonna have, I'm gonna show you all the ingredients. It's really simple put together. Honestly, my son and I put these together the first time, super fast, and threw them in the oven. We couldn't believe it. And they're the best danishes I've ever had. They're very light and very flavorful. So let's get cooking and I'll show you how we put these together. I just start with these Pepperidge Farms puff pastry sheets. If you haven't thawed them already, you can quick thaw them in the microwave. The directions are on the back, so you want to make sure they're workable, the sheets open, and you can just kind of roll them a little bit. We're going to cut it in a 2x3 grid. Okay, we're going to create a 1/2 inch border. We're just going to lightly score it. We're not cutting all the way through. Okay, now we're just going to kind of lightly press in the center here, staying in our lines, and this is just to make sure that this part does not puff. We're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, you can just cooking spray a regular baking sheet. So we're going to bring all of our squares to our prepared sheet. You know, you've been waiting for my trick, my healthy trick, and this is it. Instead of using full fat cream cheese, I use 1/3 less fat cream cheese. We're gonna use the whole package today. Okay. About 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm not measuring, obviously. And 2/3 a cup of sugar. And I just like to use my fork to mix this. Your cream cheese is already soft. All right, we're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of cream cheese per square. Obviously, none of mine are the same size, so we're gonna play it by ear and just kind of get a rough idea. Realize it is going to spread out as it heats up. So we got all of those done. We're gonna set it aside for a second. Now, we're gonna make our whitewash. Whitewash is just like a beaten egg, a little bit of water. Okay, back to our pastries. We have our fresh blueberries, and we're gonna press anywhere from, I don't know, 6, 9, 7, however many blueberries you want. Just press it into your cream cheese. Okay, now we're gonna whitewash just the edges. We've preheated our oven to 400 degrees, and we're just gonna cook these for 20 minutes, and they're gonna bebop out super fast. We're gonna sprinkle them with some powdered sugar to give them that fairy touch, and you're gonna be impressed how well these turned out. So let's get them in the oven, 20 minutes. Look at that deliciousness. Best cream cheese Danish you'll ever eat. And there you have it, another hot bite from One Hot Bite. And I want to say a very happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. I love my mom. Happy Mother's Day to you, Mom. And anyhow, happy Mother's Day to you guys. I'll see you Thursday, even though we're off schedule on this one, but I really wanted to hit everybody for Mother's Day. So have a wonderful day.